buhay ng tao. Yung pinaka-importante, oras. Pera madaling kitain yan eh. Maraming opportunity na kumita. Pero yung oras kapag lumipas na, dumaan na yan, hindi mo na yan maibabalik. Kaya every time I do this program, I make sure I'm creating a positive impact in the heart and minds of the people that are listening. Because I know my voice is so powerful that it can change people's lives positively and negatively. Negatively to those people who has a negative heart, to those negative entity out there, I hope you're happy and they are happy by bashing and saying bad things against people who do good things for people. Damn you do, damn you don't, di ba? May masasabi at masasabi sa atin, di ba? Lalo-lalo na yung taong tayo lang ang tinitingnan. Either tiniidolo tayo pero hindi nila matanggap na hindi sila tayo. O yung mga taong na-inspire sa atin at gusto nila maging katulad natin at one day, mahigitan tayo sa kung anong meron sa atin. Ang goal ko po talaga sa buhay kong to kasi ang sikreto ko parang si Bamboo. Sabi nga niya, ilang beses na akong munti kang mamatay. Ngunit alam ko ang sikreto kaya't andito pa't buhay. Ang sabi nila may anting-anting ako pero hindi nila alam na Diyos ang dahilan ko. That song alone is so powerful, yung line na yun. When you know how to die, you're gonna learn how to live. Kasi when you're gonna learn how to live if you know how to die. And a lot of times, for sure kayo sa buhay ninyo, maraming beses na rin kayong hindi kang mamatay. Even I had like twice na, kumbaga, mild stroke